go too far.
Meadow. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl.
Put you out on the front road.
You're a good girl. Such a good girl. Yeah, you liking the snow? How'd you like that little romp through? Hmm?
Let it go. Probably sleep after. You gotta go down the store with me soon.
Yeah. Midge. Meadow. Meadow. Oh, good. Too bad you had a trail there. She's probably going to go to the bathroom under there.
Smells cat.
Mm-hmm. Oh, God, I hope there's not a frozen one under there. She's digging. Too bad you walked through that. It would have been funny to see her go through it without a path. Look at her sticking her face in it. She got her head buried under there. She's digging for something.
Eating it too.
She's not eating nothing. She's digging.
Eating a dead cat.
Don't say that. There ain't no dead. There better not be a dead cat under there. What is she digging for? Why is she tunneling? Meadow, she's tunneling. There's got to be something under there. Meadow,
Go get it and bring it up here.
retreat. Retreat.
See? I told you
Meadow,
to get it, dummy.
treat. Meadow.